Hello and welcome to Rio Verde Villas. Today we are in Marbella touring these show villas that you see behind me. This villa is part of a project of 4 luxury but also affordable villas. But before entering the villa, let me show you this amazing feature. This is a carport but also a car lift. So to reach the indoor garage, this platform goes up, you introduce your car and the platform goes down when you reach 2 more parking spaces. On the ground floor there is a living room and also a dining area and a bedroom. When designing this villa, we paid special attention to every detail. The house has domotic system and underfloor heating through all the house, which means this is a smart villa. This is a very nice spot in the house, as you can have a view from all the living area, feel cozy and comfortable. Look at this modern kitchen with Siemens appliances. The cook lovers will be very happy to use this space. In the ground floor, we also have a guest toilet, which is this one here, that also serves to the bedroom that we have in the same floor, which is this one at the right. The bedroom here is very bright and spacious. It has access to the terrace, which also provides more light to the bedroom. By sliding the panoramic window open, you can easily access the poolside terrace, where you can find, for example, an alfresco dining area, some sofas to relax, and also some sun deck to enjoy near the swimming pool. Now we are in the first floor and I would like to mention another very nice feature, which is the lift. The lift goes to all the floors and make your life easier. Here in the first floor we have 2 more bedrooms. This one here is very similar to the one that we saw downstairs, but it has private bathroom. And welcome to the master bedroom, beautifully furnished. It has a lot of natural light flowing here and also corner windows, which I think it's a very nice touch. In the bathroom you have a great tropical shower to enjoy showers, and also you have double vanity sinks and windows for natural ventilation. You have access to a spacious terrace out here, so imagine waking up in the morning and enjoy a cup of coffee here. The solarium is a very useful floor, as you can chill out in the evening with friends, install like a jacuzzi or outdoor kitchen in this area, and enjoy drinks by the sunset. The villas in Rio Verde are just 100 meters away from the beach, surrounded by other nice villas, golf courses, and also just 3 minutes walking distance to Puerto Banus.